Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel is all about art and craft. Now, today we are going to make a simple birthday card for a special mother. So, let's get stuck right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to tell you, I've made sure things are going to go nice and smooth, very simple. I've pretty much prepared everything, and you'll see what I mean. Now, what you will need is some scrap paper, some floral paper, and a piece of scrap cardstock. Yes, I'm being cheeky, and I've prepared myself. So what I've done is I've just stuck the paper down onto the cardstock, and I put a couple pieces of double-sided tape on. But we will end up doing more. But that's as far as I could prepare it. Another one you need is a little sentiment that'll go at the front. Preferably that'll match your backing paper. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, use your imagination. See what works. So that's how I look at it. And you also want a strip of gold ribbon. And I've also put some double-sided tape on this so that we can stick it down so it won't wiggle around or anything like that. Then you're going to need that another piece of scrap of the same cardstock, same paper. Another little sentiment that'll go nicely with your background. A piece of cardstock, as in your actual card. Do whatever size you want to. This one here, hang on, I'll just grab my ruler. Is, let me see, it is 99 millimeters wide and 150 centimeters long. Okay, and this piece here is 89 millimeters wide and 146 millimeters long. So what we want to do first off, the other thing you're going to need is some ink, black ink, archival ink, mementos, doesn't really matter, any sort of black ink. And you also want a stamp as for a birthday, and a bit of fun foam that we'll be stamping on. So the first thing that we're going to do is, and I'll just grab my magic knife to make life easy. Gotta make life easy. We're going to take the backing paper off our double-sided tape. And yes, could get messy, but you know, never mind. These things are to try us. There we go, got that off. Now because I know I went over the ribbon with the tape on this side will get stuck down first. Kind of, more or less. Now what you want to do is place your ribbon into the center. Stick it down, turn it around. Now I'm going to fold this one over and in, and then we'll do the same with this side, like so. Look at that, easy as. Oop. Where's my scissors? Get rid of this. There we go, that's gone. Now what we want to do now is find the beginning of our double-sided tape and we'll stick some down on the side here. Like so. And make sure you do use strong double-sided tape because of the ribbon. We want to make sure it stays stuck down right. And what I'm actually going to do, just to make sure that it will stick like super glue, let's put one in the middle as well. Like so. Look at that. Notice how I'm really rubbing it. It's to make sure I get it off nice and easy. Nice and easy, really? Okay. Okay. So, next I'm going to grab the card. And what we're going to do is take the backing off this one. See, I'm starting to master it, guys. Just like that. Wowee. Look at that. It's amazing when you can figure out a way to do this to make your life so much easier. Now, fortunately, because we're using strong tape, we're going to have to pray we get it centered when we put it onto our actual card. So, now that is a challenge of its own. However, I'm sure we can do this. And we'll just kind of more or less line it up, put it down, press on it nicely, and yes, I didn't get it in the center, but that's okay. I could actually cheat and just cut a little bit off the bottom to make it even. So, but as I've just discovered, I also haven't got my ribbon smack in the center. So, and for me it's a little bit difficult because of the camera being right up there. I can't really see where the center is because otherwise you will see my head. And I'm sure you guys are getting tired of seeing my head, right? So, okay. Now on the back of this one I actually have some foam tape. So I'll just take the backing of that, and I made sure there's plenty on there so that if you decide, you know, you want to post it, it doesn't get damaged in any way. And what we want to do is sort of center it on here as well, like so, and we'll leave the front just like that. I reckon it's pretty enough just the way it is. It makes it look special. So now we're going to open up the inside. And yes, I didn't put my tape on straight. Shoot me, but that's okay. So what you want to do is you want a strip of double-sided tape on this side. And you can even use the AG gun if you want. It doesn't really matter what sort of tape you're using here. I just, for some unknown reason, decided to use that, thinking, oh, that's what it was. I thought, oh yeah, you know, I'll be able to get it on nice and straight. Really? Did I? No, not really. But never mind. Now I'm sort of laying it on there very carefully. Like so. So we've got that on there. Then I'm going to use my little cutie gun. Little baby. And I'm going to put some tape on that. And we're going to stick that into the center, kind of, more or less, like that. Quite frankly, hang on, let's see if I can still get it off, hopefully. No. Okay, doesn't matter. I was meant to do it long ways. Doesn't matter, no one will know. And then I'm going to put a little piece of foam, fun foam, underneath here, which will help with pressing down with our ink. Nice and easy. And I'll pick it up. And I'm going to ink it up nicely. Like so. And we can stick that more or less in the center. Press down, try not to wiggle like I think I just done. And there you have it. A nice, simple birthday card for Mum. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already and you want to see more of my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And you know, while you're here, why don't you just check out my other videos? There's plenty of them. And hope you have an awesome weekend and an awesome week, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.